7. Goran asks where to find footage for your videos. Any run recommendations for footage for the videos? Paid stock sites have very limited access. Free ones are shit, and programs as in video are also very limited and not something I want to be independent of. Footage for my videos is currently the only thing that occurred as a problem, recognizable. So yeah, there's a couple of options. First of all, it's the paid stock websites that you can sign up for. It's like a monthly subscription, and they have millions of videos and images that you can use. Those, depending on your channel, those can work fine, but it really depends on what you are making videos on. So for example, if you have a sports channel and you need live content of your channel on there, then you cannot only use stock material websites because these do not have like the live footage of games, right? So what you can actually do is download YouTube videos from the content that you need, and then you just cut up those videos and use that content in your own video. But then the clips have to be less than 7 seconds per piece, so you do not get into copyright issues. So that's an option. So paid sites, downloading footage from YouTube channels. You can use Midjourney to make AI generated images or footage from the things that you want to make videos about, and then put them in a sequence. Let's see what other options are. You can also use InVideo, or most video editors nowadays, they provide like also stock material, which is usually linked to one of those paid stock websites. So these are some methods that you can use to find content. In all honesty, I always hire video editors who create my videos, and they will do the content sourcing part. Only when I have videos like, for example, a sports video where there's specific content that I need in my videos, I can give the link of the YouTube video to my editor that he can use for the video he's making for me, for example. But other than that, like, I would always recommend you outsourcing the video editing part, because that's the thing. It's not just the editing. You also need to source the material, and this can take just a very long time, and you need to download it, cut it up, and honestly, it's just a hassle. So I would just outsource it.